Assalamualaikum. Today we would like to project our mini project 3, which is engineering law and ethical issue in professional practice. My name is Muhammad Anuar bin Ibrahim. Would like to present the first topic of this slide. Environmental Quality Amendment Act 2012 Act EEE150. This is the environmental quality is a significant piece of legislation in Malaysia that address the protection, management and enhancement of the environment. It serves as primary law of governing environmental quality and provide a framework for environmental management and pollution control in the country. Environmental Quality Act 1974 played a crucial role in promoting sustainable development and protecting environment in Malaysia. It set the legal framework for environmental management, pollution control, the conservation of natural resources. It is important to note that there may have been subsequent amendments to the Act to address emerging environmental challenges to align with international standards. There are three key aspects to environment quality. First of all, it is scope and application. The Act applies to the whole Malaysia and cover various activity, process, substance and sources that may have caused pollution or may have impact on environment. Second, Department of Environment (DOE). The Act established the Department of Environment as the regulatory authority responsible for overseeing and implementing environmental policy, issuing permit and license, conducting environment impact assessment (EIAS), and enforcing environmental standards. Last but not least is licensing and permit. The Act provides a framework for license and permitting activities that may have environmental implications. It requires operators of specific industries such as scheduled waste management, sewage treatment plant, and hazardous substance handling to obtain permit from DOE.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irfan bin Muhammad Anuar and I will be the one to present the next slide, which is government agencies involved in enforcing laws and regulations. First, Department of Environment, which is DOE. The DOE is the main agency responsible for environmental management in Malaysia. It formulates and enforces environmental policies and regulations, conducts environmental impact assessments and monitors pollution levels. Next, we have the Ministry of Environment and Water. The Ministry oversees environmental and water-related matters in Malaysia. It develops policies and strategies for sustainable development, conservation, and pollution control. Last but not least, we have Environmental Quality Act 1974, Act 127. This legislation provides the legal framework for environmental protection in Malaysia. It empowers the DOE to regulate and control pollution sources, including air, water, and soil pollution.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is YASSIN bin RAHIM. How an engineer prevent this? Firstly, wastewater treatment. Engineers design and operate wastewater treatment plants to treat and remove pollutants from industrial and municipal wastewater before it is discharged into water bodies. They employ various treatment processes such as physical, chemical and biological methods to remove contaminated and ensure that the treated water meets the required quality standards. Second, stormwater management. Engineers design stormwater management system to control and treat runoff from urban areas. This system includes features like retention pond, permeable pavement, and green infrastructure to reduce the amount of pollutant entering water bodies and preventing flooding. Thirdly, Industrial pollutant prevention. Engineers work with industry to develop and implement pollutant prevention measures. They design and optimize industrial processes to minimize the generation of pollutants and implement treatment systems to remove contaminants from industrial wastewater before it is discharged. Ethics to prevent river pollutants by a community and factory company. Environmental responsibility. Both the community and factories owners should recognize their responsibility to protect and preserve the environment, including rivers, for the benefit of present and future generations. They should prioritize sustainable practice and minimize pollutant and promote the overall health of the ecosystem. Second, education and awareness. Promoting environmental education and awareness programs within the community is essential. By educating individuals about the impact of the river pollutant and the importance of responsibility about responsible practice, both factory owners and community members can make informed decisions and actively contribute to prevent pollution. The pollution prevention. The community and factory owners should focus on pollution prevention rather than solely relying on off pipe treatment solution. Implement solution prevention strategies such as cleaner production techniques, waste reduction, recycling, and resource conservation can significantly reduce the environmental impact.
For conclusion, engineering law establishes legal guidelines for engineers and ensures project safety. Ethical issues involve moral responsibilities towards society, clients, and the environment. Engineers must follow these laws and ethical standards to uphold professionalism, public trust, and contribute responsibility to society. Staying informed and participating in ethical discussions is crucial for navigating the evolving landscape of engineering law and ethics and also a safety environment.